Hey Kate, I thought it'd be easiest just to send you through a quick video of how to set up the notifications for you guys. So you should have already received an invitation from Campaign Monitor to the Adelaide at cosmosclinic.com.au email. Let me know if that hasn't come through, but it should have. So once you get into that, you can go in and verify your account, finish setting it up, and then when you do, you should see a page similar to this. So what you want to do is jump up here to the List and Subscribers tab, and then over on the right hand side, click on the Manage My Preferences link. Now there's two options here that you can choose. So the first is you can do an instant notification. So every time a lead comes through one of our ads or one of our lead forms, you'll get an email instantly. So to set up that one, just click the box here, and then you want to select just the North Adelaide list. So we've segmented it into each of the individual clinics. So if you obviously only want the North Adelaide clinic list, so just jump on there and select that one. And another option you can do as well as the instant notifications is a summary. So you can do a daily, weekly, or a monthly summary. So I'll leave that up to you, however is best for you guys to work. So you just select your criteria that you want here, hit Save Preferences, and then all leads should come directly through to the Adelaide at cosmosclinic.com.au email. But if you've got any questions, just give me a shout, but that should all work once you've finished setting that up. Thanks.